I'm just taking time to make the proper use of my influence. Couple 100,000 cash, a few haters, lawyer fees for new cases, and a box of blunts later I give you.
I see Miss Atkins here, and I know she feels somewhat awkward about the content of some of the.
I feel what?
Awkward about the content.
It's not awkward. It's personal.
Yeah, well,
not for the world to know my personal business.
Yeah.
They already knowing that.
No.
This.
You put your personal business here before us by saying this to the plaintiff in text messages.
I don't know what to believe right now.
I don't need to know the personal.
I don't know what to believe.
No, don't tell me what to do.
I'm telling her, go ahead.
Because I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to get at the truth.
She gonna
don't
mess
come
up
here
by
with an
running her
attitude
mouth
right
too
now
much,
because
man.
it's not helping your friend. And if you want to help your friend who was kind and generous to you when you were down on your luck, then you'll respect that.
Sorry. Her energy just.
Can I interrupt just for a moment? My energy is because I feel like you're being disrespectful to the court and to the process. And right now, it's not your job to focus on my energy. It's your job to focus on your case. Sorry, Judge.
No, it's understandable. So tell me why you believe
right
that
here.
this was a loan rather than a gift.
Yeah, like I had on page 3, it says, I tell her, are you going to keep your word and go to the bank?
What did she say?
She had told me, we just need to go to the bank Monday. You know, the banks are closed the weekend. Okay.
Ms. Atkins, did you tell her that in that text?
Yeah, everything's right here. And you want me to be completely honest? I did get a stimulus check. She knows that. The stimulus check, I blew it. I don't know on what. Why? Because of her attitude.
Her attitude? Oh, yeah, okay. All right.
Man, she just too 100. She too trail, bro. She too 100. She too 100. I wouldn't say that she was lying. That you can't really say that she lying, though. You can't really say that she lying. She telling it sounded to me like she telling the truth. Like, man, forget it. Like, hey, this is a tough one.
We haven't seen that. We haven't seen that part of her yet.
She's got an attitude problem, the plaintiff.
But did you say to her that you wanted to go to the bank? And why would you have said that if you didn't think that you owed her the money?
I never said I didn't owe her the money.
So therefore, you don't deny that you owe her the $1,900 that she's asking?
Nope.
As far as I'm concerned.
So why are we here?
Okay, so we're going to excuse the parties while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you.
Thank you both.
This courtroom is now in recess.
Well, Michael, the defendant's not wrong. My energy is not that kind. I can't say I'm sending her warmth and sunshine and love and bunnies. That's not my energy.
I wasn't paying attention.
That's not. No, I'm sitting here like kind of in disbelief that this woman did all of the things that she did for her and that we are confronted with this outrageous, sullen, surly attitude. Look, was she naive? Yes. But that defendant did say, I'm going to pay you, I'm going to pay you, I'm going to pay you.
Yes.
For my part, there's no way I could not
and
let
white
this
in the law.
plaintiff recover.
I'm in total accord with what you said.
That's true.
What I was trying to do was to get to that point where she made it perfectly clear and she understood it. So I agree.
I think the plaintiff has given all this money over, as you said, because she's kind. I think that she's a little bit afraid of her. I don't think she's got any reasonable expectation of repayment. To think that this defendant actually had a job which would reimburse her for money, she doesn't even know her that well. I think that she did it more out of the goodness of her heart, coupled with a little bit of the fear of her. But I don't think she had any reason to think that she was going to get a penny from this woman, no matter how many times she said it. I'm not going to put my...
Imprimatur.
My what?
Your imprimatur.
Can I, a couple of things she's saying, are you going to keep your word and go to the bank? What's up? We still can't get you to come on board?
Nope.
Okay.
We have a verdict. We have a verdict.
We have a dissent.
This court is again in session.
Thank you, Officer Montana. We've deliberated and we've reached a verdict that is not unanimous.
Other homegirl
But
messed
first,
it
Ms.
up.
Atkins, I do want to address what you said. It's not personal, but you're not wrong in that you're sensing a real disappointment because I find it so underhanded when someone is the beneficiary of someone else's goodness and then they basically just spit in that person's face. Go sue me, do what you need. I really don't like that. It's not about you. I don't know anything about you. You're not talking now. And maybe you didn't use those words, but that was your conduct. Ms. Sullivan, Judge Domingo has real concerns about whether or not you had a legitimate expectation of repayment. Judge Corriero and I disagree with her, and we think that you did. We think that you're repeatedly imploring this person who you thought was your friend to pay you back, to keep her word. And you know what? When people don't do that, I can't have a little negative energy about that. It's not personal to you. It's about what you did to your friend.
I don't take it
Judgment
personal.
for the plaintiff in the amount of $1,900. Good luck to you.
She talked too much. If she'd have stopped talking, it could have got more interesting. I'm not gonna say that she would have. She probably could have, to be honest with you. If she'd have came in there like, all right, not I'm gonna lie, but if she'd have came in there with a little bit more of a calmer demeanor, like her whole demeanor just gave off like, fuck it, like that's just the way she come across to me. So I get what the black judge was saying. I get what she's saying, but at the same point in time, I get what the white lady, I get what she was saying too, because it's like, bro, you can't really expect her to pay you back if she not, you don't even know her. You don't even know her. Your boyfriend, how long, you done been with your boyfriend, and that's as long as you done know her. You probably only been with him for a year, 2 years or something like that, or a year. You really, man, you can't sit up here and tell me that you know a person after a year or two. People keep shit under wraps for years, and you will never know. You will never know. Again, trust me, I've been through it. But at the end of the day, it's all sad and it's messed up, because for real, that whole situation didn't even have to go that way. Like, if you got money, like she said, she got her stimulus check and all that, you could have, if not pay her back the whole thing, at least be like, all right, well, here go $400. I'm going to give you $100 every week or something like that. Then you pay her off. She bought you a car because you were hot. You know how many times I had to catch the bus before I was driving, and I was hot? And I was cold, and it was wet outside because it was wet. Bro, niggas not trying to hear, oh, I need a car because I'm hot. Nah. No, that's not how this works. You don't automatically, just because you turn an adult, are entitled to it. Like, you got to work to get that. You got to earn that. Not even... I don't know, man, but she talked too much. I'm about to stop talking. GTG the fam, as always, I love y'all. I'm out.